Once again.
All right, now it's day 2, and we got our trash dumps right there, and everything's all cleaned up out of the house just about. Back here, we was able to pull the paint off the wall because it was like 10 layers of paint over top of wallpaper glue, so it wasn't sticking to the wall. So we got lucky. So we go down and peel all that off, sand the walls down, and because it's now we're gonna get all that glue off, we're gonna prime it with an oil primer and then paint it. And here, we ripped all the tile out of the bathroom, and we're gonna break that old cast iron tub up with a sledgehammer and fucking put a fiberglass tub with a surround in it. And then here, more tile and stuff like that we tore down. It was over top plywood, so we're gonna tear all that down and put sheetrock. And we're gonna put sheetrock right where the medicine cabinet was. Gonna go ahead on and reuse the same pedestal sink, but replace the faucet and the valves. And we're gonna rip this old broken, cracked up toilet out of here. Put it in the toilet. And here, we've got most of all that stuff out of there. You still gotta scrape the ceiling. In the kitchen, we gotta have to pull all these old cabinets out of here. Get some new cabinets, new countertops. And there's the old cat. The one they left here. It's in bad shape. So we're gonna take the cat to the vet today. Get the cat wormed and fleed and fed and everything. Try to get it back healthy and help him out. And we got our trash dumps right here. And so far we filled it up that much. We still got to break all this up. Pour a new concrete driveway. And in here, we're getting ready to wrestle with this big heavy ass freezer. One of them back in the day freezers. You gonna roll that big ass freezer on that little dolly?
Yeah, I just need you to help me.
All right, let me start the video. We're going to start the video momentarily so that we can get this big, heavy motherfucker in that trash can. All right, so we got this big-ass fucking freezer right here. And it looks like the maggots are a little disturbed. There's some fucking, at least it's frozen maggots. And we're going to fucking utilize our trash can by fucking packing this bitch full of trash. And, once we get all that shit, empty the garage out and everything, we should still have enough room in here for some more shit. All right, so now we're at the end of day 2. And all the tile is ripped out of the bathroom. And most all the paint is peeled off in this room. You can see paint, tile, and of course the house is empty. I think that we're going to go ahead on and take this stove out and pull that hearth out, and maybe pull all the rocks off that wall. And that's gonna mean that we're gonna have to take that pipe out, fix the ceiling, make a patch on the roof where the chimney comes out of, and cap that off. And took the oven out. Still gotta deal with all this. Hopefully next week this boiler's coming out so we can make this into a utility room. So we're going to put a heat pump in. So that's going away. It's going to weigh a lot. And all that plumbing's going away with it. The garage is cleaned out. The back shed cleaned out. And we got the garage cleaned up. And the dumpster. Is over half full now. And it's still got to have enough room in that dumpster for that boiler, all that concrete, and all this driveway that we're going to break up before we build a new driveway, and whatever else that we're going to demo out of the house, like the cabinets and stuff like that. So if you like this video and you want to keep watching, I'm going to make a video every day of what we do, Monday through Friday, and post it on our channel, Get-Go TV. So if you like this video, subscribe to the channel. And also I have another almost 300 videos on how to do things. So you can watch some of those videos. Hit the like button if you would. And you can hit the little bell so you can be notified when we upload a new video. If you got any questions about how to do something that you see on one of our videos, leave a comment and I'll answer your question. As for today, it's Friday, and we're getting ready to lock everything up, close our dumpster, and take off for the weekend. So y'all have a good day now, and subscribe, that's important. And stay tuned for Monday, where we'll probably be pulling the plywood out of the bathroom and taking the cabinets and stuff down out of the kitchen. So have a good day. Thank you. I said we were finished, but I just wanted to get a video of this little creepy little building with fucking chains hanging down from the fucking ceilings and nasty looking concrete. Vines growing down through the ceiling. Wow. So fucking weird looking, that's a nasty, weird looking place, ain't it, man?
Yeah. Nasty.
Nasty. It'd make a nice chicken house, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it'd make a nice little chicken coop with it.
It would make a nice chicken house. But so weird looking motherfucker. Goddamn cobwebs and shit.
You got them hanging out of your hat and everything.
I know, man. Right? Fucking spider webs and vines. Look at the floor in this bitch. Slabs of concrete, pieces of cinder block, brick. Wow. Getting out of there, I feel like I got shit crawling on me, man. But anyway, we're gonna roll on out of here now so we can take this cat to the vet and get him fixed up. See you Monday. Here we are at the vet, taking the cat here to get it cleaned up, worm tested, defleed, and checked that, tested to see what's needed to be done to fix him up. And we're at Jolly Pond Veterinary Clinic, where it's agreed to take us today. And I've always taken my cats and dogs to Colonial Veterinary Clinic and for 20-some years, and they were rude to me today and said, well, we can't take your cat today. And I was like, well, when can you? And they was like, well, maybe Tuesday, but we don't know, because the cat didn't have a name. So these people were nice enough to go ahead and take us at the last minute at 5 minutes to 10. So we're going to take them in there now.
10 minutes to 5.
Or 10 minutes to 5. Now we're going to take them in there and let's see what they say. Again, if you got an animal, take it to this vet. Don't take it to Colonial Vet at 5 Points. Take it to Jolly Pond, where they care about animals. Well, here we are at the vet. We'll go get some dewormer. It's got a skin infection. All right. So we went to the vet. Cat has a skin infection, some parasites, worms. Got wormer, a shot of antibiotic for the skin parasites, and so, you know, got all hooked up. They hooked the cat up and everything. Now we got to go. I already did the flea treatment and everything, so now we're going to go and get a cat brush, brush all that stuff off the cat, all that loose hair and everything, and so I'll feed them up, try to fatten her up and stuff. I'll bring her back next Monday for some blood tests and check for some feline diseases and get the tartar cleaned off her teeth. So all I can say is if you're moving from a place and you're going somewhere else, be responsible and don't just leave your animals like that. Have a good one.